In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Spotify. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to spotify.com, and as you can see, I am in the Netherlands, so everything is in Dutch, but I will translate everything to English. So you want to go to spotify.com, then log into your account and go to profile. So I go to my account over here, and as you can see, this is my email, my birthday, and my country. And if you want to change your email address, you want to hit edit profile. That's the button here, edit profile, and then you can change your email address. So I'm going to change my email address to a other email address right now, just over here. This one I pasted in here. Then you can have to enter the password to confirm it, and then hit save profile and hit save again. So now you get an email on Spotify on your other email address. I will show it here. As you can see here, Spotify confirm email address. You want to hit confirm. You want to confirm the email address just like this. And as you can see, I successfully changed my email address. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.